Hello again and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of LinkedIn and uncovering how this powerful platform can be leveraged for lead generation. So whether you're a professional, an entrepreneur, or a business owner, optimizing your LinkedIn profile and engaging with your network can open doors to countless opportunities. So let's get started. Now, LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network, connecting over 700 million users worldwide. It offers a unique platform to showcase your professional achievements, build connections, and generate valuable leads. By creating a strong LinkedIn presence, you can position yourself as an industry expert and attract potential clients or customers. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume, and optimizing it for maximum effect is essential. So here are some tips and strategies to help you create a standout LinkedIn profile. Your headline is the first thing that people see. So instead of just listing your job title, craft a headline that highlights your expertise and your value. For example, digital marketing strategist. I help businesses grow online. Use your summary to tell your professional story. Share your background, your achievements, and your career aspirations. Make it engaging and relatable, so that readers are compelled to learn more about you. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout your profile. Think about the terms that potential clients or employers might use when searching for someone with your skills. This helps to improve your visibility in search results. Upload a high-quality, professional profile picture. A clear, friendly photo goes a long way in making a positive first impression. Now, when listing your work experience, provide specific details about your roles and accomplishments. Use bullet points to highlight key achievements and quantify your successes whenever possible. List your skills and encourage colleagues to endorse you. This is going to add credibility to your profile, and it helps others to quickly understand your strengths. Request recommendations from colleagues, supervisors, or clients who can vouch for your skills and your work ethic. These endorsements carry weight and, of course, build trust. Customize your LinkedIn profile URL to make it more professional and easier to share. It should ideally include your name, like linkedin.com/in/your name. If applicable, showcase any projects that you've worked on or publications you've contributed to. This demonstrates your expertise and your thought leadership. Include information about your education and any relevant certifications. This is going to add credibility and can be important for certain industries. Now, don't just set up your profile and forget about it. Engage with your network by sharing valuable content, commenting on posts, and connecting with industry peers. Participate in relevant LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests. Engaging in group discussions can help you expand your network and establish yourself as an expert. Keep your profile up to date with your latest achievements, your skills, and your experiences. An active and current profile is way more appealing to potential clients or employers. Now, by implementing these tips and strategies, you can create a LinkedIn profile that not only impresses visitors, but also enhances your professional visibility and your networking opportunities. Expanding your network with quality connections that can potentially turn into valuable leads is a strategic process on LinkedIn. And here's how to do it. Start by identifying your ideal clients or partners. Who are the decision makers or the influencers in your industry or niche? Knowing your target audience is going to help you focus your efforts. Ensure that your LinkedIn profile is complete and professional, as we discussed earlier. This will make you way more appealing to potential connections. Utilize LinkedIn's advanced search feature to find people who fit your target audience criteria. And you can filter the results by location, industry, job title, and more. When you send a connection request, always include a personalized message. Explain why you'd like to connect and how the connection could be mutually beneficial. A generic request is less likely to be accepted. Once someone accepts your connection request, engage with their content thoughtfully. Like, comment, and share their posts when relevant. This is going to help you build rapport and stay on their radar. Regularly share valuable content related to your industry. This is going to position you as an expert, and it attracts connections who are interested in your field. Join LinkedIn groups that align with your industry or interests. Engage in discussions. Go and answer some questions, and connect with group members who are relevant to your goals. LinkedIn often hosts virtual events, webinars, as well as live sessions. Participate in these to expand your network and interact with like-minded professionals. When you do identify a connection who could be a valuable lead, send them a personalized message. Express your interest in their work and offer a solution or collaboration opportunity that aligns with their needs. If you do have a mutual connection with a potential lead, consider asking for an introduction. A warm introduction from a shared connection can be highly effective. Building a network and converting connections into leads takes time. Just be patient and be authentic in your interactions. Focus on building real relationships rather than just rushing for immediate results. As your network grows, go and use LinkedIn's features to organize and categorize your connections. Keep track of potential leads and nurture them through personalized messages as well as content. Remember, the key to success on LinkedIn is to provide value, build trust, and nurture relationships. By following these steps consistently and authentically, you can expand your network with quality connections that have the potential to become valuable leads for your business. Now, once you've built a network, the next step is to engage with your connections. And engaging with your connections is a crucial step in maximizing your presence and generating those valuable leads on LinkedIn. So here are some proven techniques to stay active and engaged on the platform. Regularly share content that is relevant to your industry or niche. This can include articles, blog posts, infographics, videos, and more. Share insights, tips, and thought-provoking questions to spark discussions. Engage in discussions with your network and in relevant LinkedIn groups. Offer your expertise, share your perspective, and ask questions. Meaningful contributions can position you as a thought leader. When you see interesting posts or updates from your connections, just take a moment to leave thoughtful comments. Acknowledge their insights, ask follow-up questions, and contribute to the conversation. When your connections celebrate achievements, such as work anniversaries, promotions, or even new ventures, take the time to congratulate them. It's a small gesture that shows that you're attentive and supportive. If your connections create content that resonates with your audience, don't hesitate to share it. It not only supports your connection, but also adds value to your network. Incorporate relevant hashtags in your posts to increase visibility. Research popular hashtags in your industry and niche and include them strategically. Consider hosting webinars or even live sessions on topics that you're knowledgeable about. This is going to allow you to interact directly with your network and showcase your expertise. Reach out to connections individually through direct messages. Share valuable resources, offer assistance, or simply just start a conversation. Building one-on-one relationships can lead to meaningful connections. Follow and engage with influencers and thought leaders in your industry. Their posts and insights can inspire your own content and discussions. Consistency is key on LinkedIn. Set a schedule for your posts and engagement activities. Regular activity keeps you on the radar of your connections as well as the LinkedIn algorithm. Create polls to gather insights and opinions from your network. It's an interactive way to engage with your audience as well as encourage participation. Hey, if you've had some successful collaborations or experiences with your connections, share those stories. Highlighting positive interactions can foster trust and credibility. When someone comments on your posts or sends you a message, respond promptly. Timely responses demonstrate your commitment to engagement. Keep an eye on your LinkedIn analytics to understand what types of content and engagement strategies resonate most with your audience and adjust your approach accordingly. By implementing these techniques, you can maintain an active and engaging presence on LinkedIn, which not only strengthens your connections, but it also increases the likelihood of turning those connections into valuable leads for your B2B endeavors. Crafting personalized messages on LinkedIn is a powerful way to connect with potential leads and build meaningful relationships. So let's dive into some practical tips on how to do this effectively while leveraging LinkedIn's messaging features and avoiding common outreach mistakes. Before reaching out, take the time to research your potential lead. Understand their role, their interests, as well as their pain points. Mention something specific from their profile or recent posts to show that you've done your homework. Keep your message clear and to the point. Explain why you're reaching out and how it could benefit them. Avoid lengthy introductions or overly formal language. If you share common interests or connections, go ahead and mention them. This can create an instant connection and make your message more relatable. In your message, explain how connecting with you can provide value to the recipient, whether it's access to valuable resources, industry insights, or potential collaboration, make it clear why the connection is beneficial. InMail is a paid feature on LinkedIn, and sending too many unsolicited InMails can be seen as spamming. Use it for truly valuable and personalized outreach. When sending a connection request, LinkedIn allows you to add a personalized note. Always use this feature to explain why you want to connect. Group messages. They can be an effective way to reach multiple connections with a common message. Just be sure the message is relevant to all recipients. Sending the same message to a large number of connections is a common mistake. It's impersonal and often results in low response rates. Avoid launching into your sales pitch in your initial message. Just focus on building a relationship first and understanding the needs of your connection. Send messages at appropriate times. Avoid those late night or those weekend outreaches, as it may not be well received. Typos and errors. Wow, can make you appear really unprofessional. Always proofread your messages before sending them. If someone doesn't respond to your initial message, don't pester them with follow-ups. Respect their decision and move on. While templates can be useful, avoid using them verbatim. Customize each message to the recipient to show that you've put thought into your outreach. By following these tips, you can effectively craft personalized messages on LinkedIn. Utilize its messaging feature to your advantage and steer clear of common outreach mistakes. This will help you to build meaningful connections and turn them into valuable B2B leads. LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Wow, it's a powerful tool designed specifically for lead generation. And in this segment, we'll walk you through the key features and functionalities of Sales Navigator. From advanced search options to lead recommendations, you'll discover how to harness its potential to identify and connect with high-quality leads. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool for B2B lead generation, and understanding its key features and functionalities is essential for success. Let's walk through some of the core aspects of Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator offers robust search capabilities, allowing you to find leads based on criteria such as location, industry, company size, job title, and more. Advanced filters help you narrow down your search to identify your ideal prospects with precision. You can save leads and target accounts within Sales Navigator itself, and this is going to help you keep track of valuable prospects and companies. Regularly reviewing saved leads keeps you updated on their activities as well as their engagement. Sales Navigator provides lead recommendations based on your saved leads and preferences. And this feature is going to help you discover new potential leads aligned with your goals. InMail allows you to send direct messages to leads who are not in your network. It's a valuable tool for initiating conversations with prospects. Keep in mind that the number of InMails you can send is limited based on your subscription. Lead Builder is a feature that streamlines the process of finding leads within specific target accounts. It allows you to identify decision makers and influencers. Sales Navigator enables you to add notes and tags to your saved leads. This helps you to keep track of interactions, key details, and lead categorization. TeamLink is a collaborative feature that shows you how your colleagues are connected to a lead or account. It helps you to leverage your team's network for introductions and connections. Sales Navigator provides real-time alerts about your saved leads and accounts. You can set up notifications for activities like job changes, company news, or even content sharing. You can join and participate in LinkedIn groups directly from Sales Navigator. Engaging in groups relevant to your industry can expand your network and lead generation opportunities. Sales Navigator offers integration with various customer relationship management systems, CRM systems, and this streamlines lead management and data syncing between platforms. Now, this feature provides insights into lead engagement and interactions with your content. It helps you to gauge the level of interest and prioritize your outreach efforts. Custom lists allow you to organize your leads into targeted categories, making it easier to personalize your outreach and campaigns. Sales Navigator has a mobile app that allows you to stay connected and engaged while on the go. You can access your saved leads and accounts from your mobile device. By leveraging these features and functionalities effectively, you can navigate LinkedIn Sales Navigator to identify, connect with, and nurture valuable B2B leads, ultimately contributing to the success of your B2B lead generation efforts. Now, lead generation is only the first step. Nurturing those leads is equally important, and we'll explore effective strategies to nurture your LinkedIn connections, such as personalized follow-up messages, sharing valuable resources, and staying top of mind with your prospects. By building strong relationships and providing consistent value, you'll increase the likelihood of converting leads into loyal clients. Nurturing your LinkedIn connections is a critical step in converting them into valuable B2B leads. So let's go and explore some effective strategies to build and maintain strong relationships with your LinkedIn connections. After connecting with a prospect, send a personalized follow-up message. Mention your initial interaction. Express your interest in their work and reinforce the value of your connection. Avoid generic messages and make each follow-up message tailored to the individual. Regularly share valuable resources, such as industry articles, reports, webinars, or ebooks. Consider your connection's interests and pain points when selecting content. When you share content, provide context by explaining why it's relevant to them. This demonstrates your commitment to adding value. Engage with your connections by commenting on their posts and sharing thoughtful insights. Encourage discussions and be open to different viewpoints. Use LinkedIn's messaging feature to initiate conversations about industry trends, challenges, or even opportunities. Be proactive in offering assistance and support to your connections. If you notice that someone's facing a specific challenge, reach out with suggestions or solutions. Building a reputation as a helpful and reliable connection can lead to trust as well as future collaborations. Consistency is key. Stay active on LinkedIn by regularly posting updates, sharing content, and engaging with your network. Use LinkedIn's scheduling feature to plan your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent presence without being overwhelmed. Acknowledge and celebrate your connection's milestones. Whether it's a work anniversary, a promotion, or a new project, a simple congratulatory message can go a long way. Share exclusive insights or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your industry or work. This can pique curiosity as well as demonstrate your expertise. And consider creating LinkedIn live sessions or webinars where you share in-depth knowledge and interact directly with your connections. Seeking feedback from your connections can be a valuable way to engage them. Ask for their thoughts on your content, your ideas, even your strategies, and respond positively to feedback, whether it's constructive criticism or praise. When sharing content, consider creating customized content specifically for your LinkedIn connections. Address their pain points and provide actionable advice. Tailor your content to resonate with your target audience, showcasing your understanding of their needs. Host virtual networking events or roundtable discussions exclusively for your LinkedIn connections. This creates a sense of community and fosters stronger relationships. Don't forget to express gratitude. Thank your connections for their support, engagement, or referring you to valuable contacts. By implementing these strategies, you can nurture your LinkedIn connections effectively, foster trust, and position yourself as a valuable resource in your industry. Over time, these efforts can lead to a steady stream of qualified B2B leads, as well as business opportunities. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to using LinkedIn for lead generation. By optimizing your profile, building a targeted network, and engaging with your connections, you can leverage this platform to its fullest potential. Remember, consistency and providing value are keys to your success on LinkedIn. So start implementing these strategies today and watch your lead generation efforts soar. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Until next time, happy networking on LinkedIn.